We actually been coming to Bend for about 20 years as a second vacation home area, and primarily live in the Vancouver, Washington State area. We actually moved into this home about 2.5 years ago, and it was under construction for about 15 months before that. It's a contemporary style home, but it also has kind of the Bend theme to it. I know that there's some architectural review requirements that the contractor had to go through, but we like the design of the home. It incorporates some of the lodge style, but also has contemporary elements to it. I like the metal roof, the durability of it. It's almost like a double roof because of the asphalt layers underneath it, and I like the looks of it. We're actually considering it for another home that we're going to build in Hawaii, and I think it's a good, durable, long-term solution. We've gone through a couple winters. It seems to do well. That does heat up a little bit during the day when there's sun, and there's some melting, and it does fall off. We do have some barriers near some of the where you walk and enter the house, and that seems to hold the snow on the roof pretty well. We've had other homes with comp shingles that didn't do nearly as well because the snow and ice will get underneath them. I think it's a better solution for the winter than other alternatives. In this climate, in this fire hazard region, just having a metal roof versus others, it makes a lot of sense because of flying embers and things landing on your roof. Maintenance for the metal roof, pretty low maintenance, but we do get on the roof and kind of blow the pine needles off it and out of the gutters, and that seems to go pretty well. The roof aesthetics are pretty important. It's a big part of the exterior of the home. Highlighting it with something that complements the aesthetic and the construction type is pretty important. And I think on this home, a black metal roof really made it look great, I thought. It's complemented it really well. It's been a very positive experience. Like I said, we're going to consider another metal roof on our next home. I think that having other homes with comp shingles and tile and things, there's no hesitation to consider a metal roof, especially if it fits the architectural design and the look of the home.